Rocket Academy is such a wonderful opportunity for students. We had our ribbon cutting ceremony, and it was really the opportunity to officially move into this high-tech advanced manufacturing facility.
Rocket Academy is an excellent example of how partnerships between schools, technical colleges, and our state's youth apprenticeship program can create a bright future for participants while filling our state's workforce needs.
This building is carefully designed for each of the pathways. We have a welding booth, precision machinery equipment, and also HVAC supplies and equipment. We're always looking for industry sponsorship. This is a brand new school. We have some naming opportunities available. So if there's a business out there who wants to support Rocket Academy, we're always eager to partner with them on any level.
Rocket Academy is working to prepare the next generation of skilled workforce talent. Your business can support this work through a variety of sponsorship opportunities. Learn more at rocketacademywi.org.